they try to make you feel like pain on me. But you know, like I know that trouble will never last. Yeah. So hold your head up high. God is on your side. And he loves you and he cares. He's so faithful.
Yes, it is. Okay, so I really need for y'all to know that I'm really, really trying. I am God as my witness. I am trying. YouTube is doing some really, really funky, strange things to me, to my channel. I can no longer go live. I have tried to go live over 40 times and I cannot go live. I have written them about the situation and I haven't gotten a response, written them about some other things that's been going on. Still haven't got some responses for that either. So just wanted to, just wanted to let y'all know I'm really trying. But if I disappear and if I leave YouTube, just know, I don't know. But anywho, that's not why I'm here. I am here to tell you guys that you guys have been asking about my hair oil. And guess what, y'all? Let me turn this down. It's here. It's here. It's here. So, if y'all want to get this, let me show y'all a little bit better how it looks. So this is it right here. It just says Tayshawn Miller growth oil, Yeah. And pretty much this is what I want to say. If you want to order some of this oil, you cannot do it via YouTube. Like, I'm just so done with YouTube. It cannot be done via YouTube. Everybody has been ordering this oil through Instagram. And as a matter of fact, I just literally sold out 5 o'clock this morning or 6 o'clock. I think I had one bottle left, and then someone inboxed me and took that last bottle. The days that I do make my oil and ship is Mondays and Thursdays. Those are the 2 days that I make and ship my oil. However, for those of you who watched that video, y'all know I'm going under a major surgery next week on the 22nd. Well, I think that's Monday. Is that Monday? Monday or Tuesday I go into surgery. And I'm not going to be able to pretty much do anything for 3 weeks to a month. So, this Thursday is actually the last time that I'll be making some until probably late March, early May. So my Instagram name is Tayshawn Miller, just like it is here on YouTube. Tayshawn Miller. Please make sure you head over there and check out my post about the hair oil that I am selling. It will only be sold on Instagram, period, through my direct message, period. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Also, y'all remember that cute little girl whose hair I did about 3 weeks ago? I think 3 weeks or a month ago. The little girl who had the really, really, really short hair, and I did the bob plaits in her hair. Well, you guys have been asking for an update video to see how her hair looks now, see if it's growing. Her mom did contact me last night for a new appointment. She's also going to come with her braids in for me to do a update video for you guys so you guys can see the new growth. She is also using my products as well. So I'm excited. I'm super excited about what God is going to do for me. I'm excited for those of you who purchase my oil and be blessed by it. I'm excited about just a lot of things, So once again, my Instagram is Tayshawn Miller, and make sure you go ahead and follow me on there because, again, YouTube doing some real shady stuff to me right now. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how long I'm going to be here. I just don't know, but I do know that God has a plan, and I'm just going with the flow. Pretty much, I'm just going with the flow. I didn't do a video for this because I just didn't. Because I don't like what YouTube doing to me. Honestly, I don't. I don't like how they're treating me. I don't like the things that they're doing with me as far as my money is concerned. I just don't like it. So because I don't like it, I've kind of drawn it back a little bit. But rest assured, I still love you guys. I love my subscribers. I'm almost at 20,000, y'all, and they treating me like I only got 200 subscribers. So at the end of the day, y'all, I'm just trying to remain humble for my loyal subscribers. I'm being honest. I'm only still here for my loyal subscribers, period, point blank. Like, I'm not here for nothing else, and I'm being honest. I am so honest with y'all right now. I am only here for my loyal subscribers. I'm talking about the ones that watch my video faithfully. The ones that as soon as I upload, they're there to watch my videos. The ones that hit that like. The ones that hit that share. That's who I'm still here for. Because truth be told, if it wasn't for y'all, I would not be here. I'd have been vanished. And I'm keeping it 100. So I love y'all. Please make sure you get into my... Girl, what you doing with them goggles on? Please make sure y'all get into my inbox so y'all can get y'all oil. These right here already belong to somebody. That's why they wrapped up in the bubble wrap. I don't know why. Too much light in here. But yeah, that's why they're wrapped up in the bubble wrap already because... And I do have 2 sizes, a 6 ounce and an 8 ounce. So for more information, just make sure you hit my DM up. I have 2 methods you can pay, through PayPal or through Cash App. And that's about all. All right, I love y'all. Bye.